Ayurveda, the ancient health science from India, considers body as the condensate of the mind. World is moving at a pace faster than anyone can imagine, and with this pace, there is always insufficiency of time leading to stress on human mind. Certain things are beyond our control, but supplementing ourselves to stay stress-free is our choice. We present you iDwell Mind Health Gummies enriched with Vitafro, Ashwagandha or Vitamina somnifera extract, Bakuliv, Brahmi or Bacopa monoria extract, Shankapushpi, Vacha and Jatamansi. Ashwagandha, a magic herb from the paragon of Ayurveda, holds the answers for all the kinds of mental stress. Vitamina somnifera, as it's scientifically called, is a proven remedy for bringing about the calming effects. Ashwagandha is perhaps best known for its ability to reduce stress. Bacopa is a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It is referred as Brahmi in Ayurvedic scripts. It increases signaling molecules implicated in synaptogenesis. It helps to promote speed of visual information processing and supports memory and retention of new knowledge. Bacopa helps prevent damage caused by free radical induced lipid peroxidation, which can lead to several conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurodegenerative disorders. The ingredients in these gummies not only helps combat stress and anxiety, but also are potent immunomodulators, help build immunity, boost strength, help enhance memory, and helps improve the quality of sleep. For better results, consume iDwell Mind Health Gummies early hours in the morning to remain stress-free throughout the day.
Each product of iDwell has number of herbal actives selected as per Ayurveda. Each herb is tested for battery of parameters and taken for processing. The herbal actives thus obtained is tested for number of parameters using physical, chemical, microbiological and instrumental methods. We have a global specification for each product where we comply for the global regulatory standards. We have a strong GMP and strong quality management system where quality is never compromised.
The macular region of the eye is responsible for filtering the blue light and color perception. The molecules which bring about these effects are lutein and zeaxanthin. These are collectively called macular pigments. These macular pigments, namely the lutein and zeaxanthin, are care isolated from the flowers of marigold and are presented to here in the form of eye health gummies. With the increase in the screen time due to unavoidable use of different electronic gadgets, the macular pigments generally degenerate over a period of time. Thus, it becomes essential to keep supplementing these macular pigments regularly. MPOD, macular pigment optical density, as it is generally referred to, as needs to be at optimum level to have a healthy eye function. These gummies aim at delivering the required amounts of macular pigments. These gummies are crafted using Maxan, a clinically studied lutein zeaxanthin complex. Beta carotene from carrots help your brain and eyes convert the light that enters them into signals that impact what you see. This can help in low light situations. In this way, carrots do support night vision. iDwell Ophtha Gummies is enriched with Lodra, Symplochus racemosus, Shatavari asparagus racemosus, and Lotus Nelumbo nucifera. These gummies not only aid in enhancing the overall eye performance but are also excellent source of antioxidants which help in multiple bodily functions, including improving the quality of sleep. Grab on to your box of iDwell Ofta gummies to make sure you stay tuned to your screen, and the gummies will take care of your eye health.
IndusViva has done a thorough evaluation of market needs and identified the right consumer requirements. Quality has always been of prime importance to us, and we aim to build quality right from the developmental stages.
In this modern world, we tend to chew on many unhealthy foodstuff and dumping in all sort of morbid mess and build an unwanted stress on the gut. This leads to many undesired effects on the gut health, right from constipation to gastritis, gastric ulcers, or inflammatory bowel diseases. As rightly said, gut is the gateway for person's health. IndusViva presents you iDwell Gut Health Gummies to handle all the stress built on your tummy. Triphala, a triad herb from Ayurveda, is widely used remedy for all sorts of gut-related problems. Triphala represents an essential foundational formula as it promotes efficient digestion, absorption, elimination, and rejuvenation. Moreover, studies have validated a number of potential uses of Triphala, which include free radical scavenging, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulating, appetite stimulation, and gastric hyperacidity reduction. The roots and rhizomes of licorice have been in traditional use for several centuries. Licorice has been reported for enhancing gastric mucus secretion and anti-ulcer activity. Research indicates licorice alleviates symptoms of functional dyspepsia. Senna, the super cleanser, makes sure that all the unwanted stuff is flushed out of the system. Senosides, the active marker compounds in senna, help in bringing about required gastric motility, thereby helping in cleansing the intestines to get rid of the unwanted debris. These combinations make sure you need not worry about your gut. Make it a habit to munch on these iDwell gut gummies to support your gut with a good conditioning.
Innovation is always a key for any of the IndusViva products. We focus on what are the best benefits the consumer is going to get with our products. We start with a brainstorming session to identify the need states and then refine the concepts based on the marketing trends and needs.
Liver is the largest solid internal organ in the body. The liver is also a chemical factory performing over 500 chemical functions in your body. Your liver turns proteins and sugars into things that your body needs, stores vitamins, sugars, fats, and other nutrients, and helps regulate hormones. Being such a beautiful organ, it's often exploited heavily by various deeds that we do in a day. Estimated more than 30% of the population suffers from a condition called non-alcohol related fatty liver disease, a condition where excessive fat is accumulated in the liver. Turmeric, the golden herb again, from the treasures of Ayurveda, holds the answers for all these liver related problems. Liver Health Gummies present to you the bioavailable form of curcumin through its biotermin complex, a scientifically studied curcumin for its effectiveness. Indian gooseberry in English or amla in Hindi is one of the most important medicinal and dietary plants in the Indian subcontinent, has been known to be effective in preventing or ameliorating the toxic effects of hepatotoxic agents. Phyllanthus neruri, a traditional herbal medicine, is found to be hepatoprotective. This prized Ayurvedic herb is hence useful in remedying all sorts of liver problems. Coupled with other herbs like Punarnava and Guduchi, this power-packed combination is one-stop solution for all your liver needs. Chew your liver health gummies now. Liver will take care of your health and curcumin will take care of your liver.